In this video I will show you how to pin tweets on your Twitter or X app. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. So firstly, open up your X app and then click into your profile like that, and I'm gonna make just a random tweet just like that. So I'm gonna click on post, and now there you can see my tweet right there. And now to pin it so it stays on the top of your profile, all what you need to do is click on those 3 vertical dots next to that tweet like that, and then click on pin to profile, then click on pin again, wait for the refresh, and then as you can see, that tweet is always going to be staying at the top of my profile. And now you're probably wondering how to unpin it. Just do the same process. Click on the 3 vertical dots and then click on unpin from profile, and then click on unpin to confirm, and now as you can see, it's been unpinned. So yeah, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.